Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin Cash. On a daily time frame chart, after the breakout from this rising wedge pattern, Bitcoin Cash has pumped very well, and recently, a few days ago, we have broken out this quite long-term resistance of $500. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $500 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that, it has been breaking as a support here and here. Back in the month of Feb 2020, it was breaking at the resistance here in the month of June 2019 as well. Therefore, now after this breakout, it can be flipped into a long-term support for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. In fact, if you take a look at the daily time frame chart once again, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line has been retesting this $500 as a support for several days and then geared up. And now we are about to hit this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $700 and goes to $800. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And in fact, I have been showing you this falling wedge pattern even before the breakout when the price line was moving here and it was quite squeezed inside this wedge. And in those days, I've been telling you that after the breakout, it can turn a very, very strong bullish. And you can see that the price line has started that parabolic bullish long-term bull run. And so far, if I place this measurement tool from this though, when last time it was testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied almost 654% and still a very big move due. And I'll share those targets with you as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for SFP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here previously, a few days ago, I was showing you this rising wedge pattern. And I was telling you that despite this, the bearish bias move, the pricing can break down the support. But previously, we had a very, very nice bullish momentum. We also broke out this very big and long-term not a falling wedge pattern, a down channel on this daily time frame chart. And we also had a very, very nice bounce from this quite long-term uptrend line support as well. By the way, this is a very long-term uptrend line support. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this uptrend line, this one, has been breaking as a very strong resistance here for several months. And after the breakout, since after the month of July 2023, it is breaking as a very, very nice and strong uptrend line support. And again, the price line has geared up after testing the support and broke out the resistance of this wedge. And we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this wedge, by the way. The technical target for this breakout that I've been telling you in so many previous videos was here, approximately $540. And you can see that the price line has already hit that target. And now we are about to hit this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $700 and goes to $800. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone, which starts from $700 and goes to $800, has been previously working as a resistance zone here, resistance here, and resistance zone here as well. And therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of Bitcoin Cash. Now, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Okay, by the way, if we take a look at the target first for this breakout from this down channel, the smaller down channel, that target is here at $700. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this wedge, that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.